Okay?
35.
This is 35.
Yes.
And this is 150. This one, this one.
That one is not bad. 130. 35 is. Yun
This
ang
is
tulo sa gatos.
This is 50 pesos. So it says the price here. Okay.
3 for 100, you can choose this one.
Huh?
Small one, you can choose.
This one, not bad.
Get
Good
3.
price. No, you want to get?
Yeah, just this one also. I like that cute. Get that
Yeah.
dalawa.
You want to get
Tarsa.
now?
Yeah, I can get now.
This one. And these, how much are these guys?
35.
35, 35?
Yes. Then for the
35.
35.
Not bad. I'm looking to buy, to give to people, gifts. So I don't want to spend too much money, right? Obviously.
Also this one 35 also.
Kitchen.
This girl looks like a long. You see her behind. That's not bad. How much you said this one keychain? 35?
This one 100.
100 for how many?
One.
Uy. I thought you said this was cheap.
35. This one 100.
Oh, 35 down there. Okay. This one is 35?
Pila na nga ni nga bag ninyo?
Asan na ito kanina?
Kani.
Same price na.
Adili same price kani siya kanang duha kulo.
Kani.
Mm.
900.
And what time you close here?
10.
So we just arrived. We're just trying to see. I need to buy a few. Bye. So what is that?
Yeah, choose that one. 3 for 100.
They open till 10, so we can buy later before we go.
You don't know if you can still get.
Look at these. Look at these Dutch fish. Look like lamb. You want this? It's okay. Can I? No, it's okay. Now I need you. I need you now. So when I want you, get it from here, or you gonna give me from in the plastic? From here. Oh, you're gonna get it, right? Okay, give me. These are what? 35 each. 35 each, right? So. Wait, you like this one, or you like the brown, the darker one?
Darker.
The darker one?
Yeah.
Okay, give me like 3 pieces. 3 pieces. 3 pieces. Oh, we have to get from here. Okay, then I can do that. Yeah, I thought you have it over there. Oh, but I want plastic. No plastic. I want to give you. No, we don't need that. We don't need all this fancy.
Plastic wala kay plastic lang.
No, they don't.
They didn't have plastic, so that's only. How about the other one, the small one?
Yeah, we're gonna get. Which one? All 3. That's not bad. You open the light. I follow you.
Yeah.
So see those stuff on the left. They have this also. I was looking at this NGA. This is 2,500. I was gonna say it's about that one. Not bad, right? Oh, including breakfast. Oh my God, I already booked over there now.
That you cannot cancel that?
Maybe not. I don't know, I'll check. But what? Actually, let's see if they can show us a room. Huh?
Yeah. This one, guys, is 2,500 per night. It has swimming pool and it included breakfast. So let's see if they have the room that available.
But can we see a room though?
No, because we're fully booked today and tomorrow.
Oh, you booked anyway tomorrow. No, but they'll be from Sunday. We need from the
Yeah.
Sunday to Wednesday, like 3 days. Would you be? So we cannot see any room anyway.
Yes, we can show you in the room service.
Yeah.
Weekend is always busy. That's why, not Friday, Saturday, special.
Yes.
Oh.
Ha? Domingo? Tapos Domingo to kuan. Domingo inside?
Monday, Tuesday. Domingo to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. When they check out.
So 18 to kuan.
So you cannot see anyway. So what's the point?
Yes.
What is the point?
But this time sir, there's no, but the 18 sir, no available for that has balcony, only king size bed with no balcony. Their side. Kasi tulog sa uso. Wala. Here, the only in the,
Only from outside.
yes, only.
But the 2500 at night is not available even on Domingo?
Domingo, yes.
Domingo available.
Sunday 18.
So they don't have the room that available that we can see. It's made by coconut milk and sugar, something like
It's
that.
not going to go bad in the sun?
No, it's not.
Okay. Oh, look, another.
Monkey tree.
Another possible.
You can take picture here. This still is renovating. Look, there's ice cream dyan, oh. Look at that. How they make it, right? Unsa na siya kanang kuan violet nga unsa nga siya na flavor? O kana? Ah, dragon fruit. I see.
But this has sugar, no? Is sugar? This sugar, no? You want for you? If you
I'm
want.
not sure.
Later.
Pila na isa ana?
It's not so sweet.
Namoy avocado? Ay, mga pamatato. Unsa na siya kanang green?
Try something different. You always get.
Like what?
They look, I don't know. They look good. Which one is? No, it's up to
How
you.
about that
Look,
one?
this is bestseller.
Dragon fruit. You want?
Oh, you want whatever you want.
Yeah, but I know you're gonna get something.
Look,
Asa may lami?
this is
Asa may bestseller?
bestseller. This is bestseller. All is bestseller.
Wala yung
Why
mga
this is
pangalan?
90? What is the difference?
Water based, just fresh fruits and cream based have dairy.
Oh, and this?
110.
No, all the same thing. No.
Asa may pagkalahi ana kani?
Water based is just fresh fruits ma'am.
So mas pure siya, mas puro siya. Ah, okay.
So which one is supposed to be better? Water based or the other one?
Like you want like something refreshing, then you can go to water based.
And then if you don't want refreshing,
If you want like something creamy, cheat day, then you can
Okay.
use the cream based. It's your cheat day.
cheap there.
Cheat. Cheat day.
Cheat there.
Cheater.
Cheat there, yeah.
Your cheat day. You want
Yeah.
I'm gonna cheat you, baby.
whatever you want.
I'm gonna cheat you.
Come, it's our treat de Jano. Unsa na siya nga flavor kana sa gilid? Oo.
Yeah, that looks good. Sounds good, but strawberry cream. No? They're gonna say yes to everything. Have you tried any of this? No, I don't believe you.
Chocolate fudge, matcha, and Oreo.
You tried?
Kani, kwansa ni siya?
Peanut butter, Graham.
Oh, Graham. I always take Graham, so I don't get.
You want Graham?
No,
No.
I always take Graham.
No.
So maybe I'm gonna
Let's
try
try
that.
something different. And
Pato na lang sa gilid isa.
Strawberry cream.
so how much is that? It is good, right?
110. It's good.
I know.
Real fruit
I only pick good things. See, I choose this. Long time ago, you know. Now,
Bakakon.
para.
Bakakon.
110? Okay, I'll give you 100. Give me this.
Hmm.
You got coffee, but you guys don't do.
That's actually frozen yogurt shake.
No, you don't do what you call sandwiches. But yeah, I'm diabetic. I like this. It looks very good. Maybe I'll go to cheat. Maybe let's see. If she likes this taste, maybe I will.
It's your cheat day today.
Every day cheat day, you know. When she's not working, I go.
Pati,
This young girl really good at